Start? Alright, hey guys, I bought this compressor last year in November and I said 2014 and the year 2015. I know yes, I'm trying to make a video on the compressor. Now it's a body compressor from Calico. Nice family board, use a Gasparilla, Trinidad. Right? I bought it well, the compressor have about 9 months now. And if you look at it here, I've been plenty cars with it, the oil in get, the oil in the compressor, it then get black here. And the time when the compressor will get black to change it. Compressor working real good. It's a compressor is let the model is a 5 horsepower. 5 horsepower maximum PSI 135. The CFM on the compressor is 20 CFM. The tank is a 60-gallon tank. This compressor, since I started to work with it really performs and does the job. Display some of the tools there. I don't really use this one as much, but the skid, the DA and the spray guns and them, that's what I use most of the time. If you look at the compressor, the name of the compressor is a Puma, it's an industrial air compressor. Compressor really works good. I would advise anybody who have a small shop or probably now starting up a DIY guy, maybe a hobbyist or what, this compressor really does the job. Basically that is it there. 9 months going, compressor really good. I just wanted to make this video about the compressor. That's it. See you guys.